simply fix Pinterest search not working on your app. So if your search bar is not working and showing this try again problem, what you can do is close the application and tap on close all. After that, hold on to the app for some time. Now here you'll find I icon at the navigation bar. Tap on I. I stands for app info. It will lead you to app settings. Now scroll down a bit. Tap on the storage section. Now tap on the clear cache and tap on clear data. Tap on delete to confirm your decision. After that, head back and close the application. Now what you're going to do is go to the Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in Pinterest. And tap on Pinterest. Now what you're going to do is check if you have the latest version of the app installed or not. If your app is already up to date, then it will show open as in my case. If not, there will be an update icon instead of open. So make sure to tap on the update icon so it fixes all some minor glitches and provides you with the latest features. After that, what you're going to try, the last option is turn on your Wi-Fi and go to airplane mode on. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, turn it off and again turn on your Wi-Fi. Now make sure you have a strong and reliable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is low, you can always switch back to your mobile data. After that, now open your app and it should work. Now go to your search bar and as you can see now there is no try again problem. You can search for anything and your results will be out. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find it very useful. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.